as I was saying, in this bottom box, they're coming out because that formic acid down there is kind of driving them out. Let's see if I can get this frame out without breaking it. How people work without gloves or a bee suit is beyond my ability. I don't know. They do it, but not me. I tried it a few times when I first got started, thought I was something special. And you learn you're not special, you're not the bee whisperer. I don't care what people tell you. Hey Meta, it's still recording? I can't tell. I guess I'll hear it go off in a minute. Like in real life, I'll be saying something important. I think I'm recording and it's not. I'll think somebody's listening to what I'm saying and they're not. So I'm used to that.